Most of the time, the billing address provided by our WooCommerce customers is the same one they will use for their shipping information. In case you have thousands of orders, and you want to copy the billing address to the shipping address manually, you would have to spend several hours opening your orders one by one, checking if they have a shipping address, and editing them in case they don't. Fortunately, we'll show you how to copy the billing address to the shipping address using the WooCommerce Orders Spreadsheet plugin. It displays all your orders in an intuitive spreadsheet, where you can edit your order information as you would in Excel or Google Sheets. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. Before copying the billing address into the shipping address column, it is necessary to find all the orders that are missing this information. To do this, let's open the search tool and activate the advanced filters. Select the shipping address field key. Then select equal and leave the value field empty. Finally, run the search, and all orders without a shipping address will be displayed. Now, let's see how to copy the billing address to the shipping address using the bulk edit tool. Once the tool is open, select the field you want to edit, in this case, shipping address. Select copy from other columns. And choose billing address, which is the one from which we will copy the addresses. Finally, execute and the chosen billing addresses will be copied into the shipping address column. Remember that you can follow these steps to copy the billing state, city, country, or any other information in the corresponding field of the shipping column. As you can see, using the WooCommerce Orders Spreadsheet plugin is very convenient, since you can filter your orders and update the information massively in a matter of minutes. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.